Civil engineering side had been between Edinburgh, Glasgow and India. So yeah, broadly speaking, it was, the civil side in terms of infrastructure within the city. I'd worked on building prisons as a sort of junior engineer, commercial buildings. I'd worked on marine sea reclamation works, where you're building marine walls and basically reclaiming big chunks of sea, which nowadays you drive down Edinburgh. I've been back to the area where that was done, and it's now just full of high-rise flats. India was much the same in that it was just going to what effectively looked like a big open section of deserts in a city called Chandigarh up in northern India, and preparing the groundworks, making sure everything was ready for buildings to go on again. Pretty much my career in a nutshell, but at some point I decided I wanted a change. And there's a surprising amount of similarities between civil engineering and mechanical and hydraulic engineering, as much as it would seem odd. Going a bit further back, in terms of the degrees themselves, they're actually very similar. They're on the same path the first couple of years before you kind of specialise. I just happened to go down the sort of civils route. Enjoyment, I would say, I would enjoy the oil and gas industry a lot more. The hours are better. The variety of work is maybe greater. For the bulk of it, it's either clients that not directly individuals, but companies I've worked with before. They put a lot of the expectations on us to deliver, and they don't really want a lot of input. They want us to pretty much specify, then propose the work, and then they really want us to just do it. They don't want any more than to be able to review things maybe at certain stages, but yeah, pretty much get on with the job. I would say that the rate of growth at MDL and the opportunities to get into the North Sea oil and gas more, get bigger projects and comprehensive projects, and with the way we're growing, it won't take us long to be able to take on full maintenance contracts, and that would be exciting, because then we would have effectively the maintenance contracts for entire platforms.